In this video, we're going to be taking a look at combo boxes. We're going to take a look at how we can fill the combo box with the values that we need and how we can access the items within a combo box and make use of the data elsewhere within the program. That's going to be button combo. Great, and I'm going to need a frame to work with this one. So if I come back, where are you? Not there. If I come back over here, I'm going to do an internal frame underscore combo. Great. And in this, I would like to add one combo box over there. Combo box like so. Okay, we're going to go to source. Now this is the source of the screen. I think let's just come back here and call it. So it's internal frame underscore combo. Internal frame combo is equal to new obj. Is equal to new internal. Let me just. Good. We're going to add it to the panel. Dot add. That's good. ifc obj dot set visible to true. Great. Just like so. Now we come to our internal frame and we want to be able to access our combo box. And if we would like to do so, combo box, we did colors, maybe we can work with shapes. Okay, now that we've added our combo box, we want to be able to add the very specific items that they'll be able to select. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to customize code and you're going to see this screen over here. What's really nice is that here we'll be able to change the values directly. So we can say custom property, and what we want is a square. We would like a circle. We'd like a triangle. Okay, triangle. And maybe a diamond. And if I press OK, should be good. If I can run this. Now when I press combo, this shows up and we have our square, our circle, our triangle, our diamond. It looks like the field isn't big enough. So we're going to close this. Increase its size. There we go. And when we run it, we can see that it is solid. Now, how do we take the value that the user has selected and actually perform some kind of action with it? I think I'm going to save images for a separate video. That'll be the next one, I believe. So until that point, I think we're okay with where it is now. In the next lesson, I'll show you how we can get all of these to trigger an image to show up depending on their selected item.